Hello everyone, welcome back to Dream Gardener. My name is Ullas. In this video, we are going to see how to propagate a strawberry plant by its propagule part, that is the runner. So, if you are a new viewer for our channel, do subscribe to my channel, enable the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video to our channel. Let's get started into the video. This is the most easiest way to grow strawberry. Growing strawberry is not a difficult thing. They are available in nurseries. It costs up to 40 to 45 rupees for a single strawberry plant, and it's not much more expensive as we expected. 1:1:1 is the potting mixture, which is very ideal for strawberry. So we can use 1% of garden soil, and the next one is a cocoa peat or vermicompost, or you can use whatever you have. See a small runner of strawberry. Here I am transplanting this small runner into a new pot. So otherwise you already have a strawberry plant, then you can use this method to propagate your plant. Otherwise you can purchase from the nursery. So here I am taking a hanging plant pot for planting the strawberry. You can use any pots to plant a strawberry plant. Make sure that the pot have perfect holes for the drainage system. Otherwise there may be a chance of plant decay or any fungus attacks. Make sure that your potting mixture is not contain any weeds, and remove all stones as you can. The ideal temperature to grow strawberry is 20 to 29 degrees Celsius, so we can easily grow strawberry. And it wanted 8 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. Okay, now everything is ready, and let it in a semi-shade for 2 to 3 days. Water it well, and after 2 to 3 days you can let it on the direct sunlight. Make sure that your plant gets 8 to 9 hours or 8 to 6 hours of sunlight, then only it can bloom. And now I'm putting this into a semi-shade, and after 2 to 3 days I will kept near the mother plant. You can see that my strawberry plant already bloomed, and within 28 days I will get the fresh ripened strawberry. So if you like my video, do subscribe to my channel, enable the bell icon.